In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to assemble the removable prosthesis called the aesthetic hand. This hand is designed to replace the hook when going out for daily activities. It can be used to hold various items and can be operated either with the adapter control cable connected or without. This 3D model was enhanced to enable side movement and change of direction of the thumb, while also providing a hidden side tray for stability. The photos display the tools needed to assemble the aesthetic hand, then the separate parts, and following is the assembled hand with all of its parts. Take the part marked 10, which is the wrist adapter to connect between the prosthesis and the basic aesthetic hand, and screw it into the opening in the flat base of the hand. Then take one of the two M4 by 10 Allen screws, which are marked 5, and thread it into the tapped hole located on the bottom of the palm of the hand, and secure it tightly. Then take the second screw and insert it into the hole on the top side of the hand. Again, screw until you feel resistance. The purpose of these two screws is to prevent rotation of the adapter. And now you can see that the adapter cannot move. Tray installation. To install the tray marked 3, insert it inside its house on the left side of the hand with the tray notch facing outwards. Insert an M3 by 35 screw marked 8 that serves as a hinge for the tray and screw it all the way until feeling resistance. The tray, opened or closed, enables the user to securely hold a cup or any item. Take the compression spring marked 7 and attach it into a locking rod marked 6. Insert the rod with the spring into the hole on the side of the socket in the palm of the hand, pointing the hole on the rod upwards. Insert auxiliary tool marked 4 to ensure that the rod has not moved out of place. Lifting lever. Now to assemble the lifting lever, take the lever part 2 and place it on the protruding locking rod with the curved arch facing up. When the holes are aligned, insert the 1.75 filament wire, number 18, until it emerges on the other side, and then cut off the excess remaining filament. Then remove the auxiliary tool. This photo displays the tools and parts that are needed for the thumb assembly. In order to assemble the thumb, marked 15, take the tension retaining screw, marked 11, with the Allen socket facing outwards, and insert it into the lower hole at the bottom part of the thumb. Insert it while passing through the loops of the two springs, marked 12, and continue to the other side wall until the screw does not protrude from either side. Then insert the thumb into the rotation housing, marked 14, with both springs inserted into the groove. Insert the screw, marked 19, into the aligned opening of the two parts, which on the way passes through the two loops again and continues straight to the next wall. Screw until locked. Take the M4 by 30 cone head Phillips screw 13 and pass it through the housing and the thumb to the other side and tighten. Then insert the entire thumb mechanism complex into the aesthetic hand. Take the Allen head screw M3 by 30 marked 9 and on the top side of the hand, insert it into the hole and screw until you feel resistance. Do not over tighten, as this may prevent thumb rotation. Install the silicone finger sleeves marked 17 on each finger with the textured side facing inward to prevent slipping. For the thumb, slightly loosen the silicone using scissors to allow it to pass around the loops. For demonstration purposes, connect the cable adapter marked 16 between the prosthetic ball and the lower thumb loop. To operate with a cable adapter, pull the cable by body movement to open the thumb using the loops located at the tip of the thumb. Grasp the item, which will be held firmly, and release the cable when completed. To operate without a cable, use the free hand to open the thumb. Put the item in place in the hand and then reposition the thumb manually.